for strong bones and joints. Only 2 ingredients. Natural remedy for bones and joints. If you suffer from pain in the spine and joints, be sure to try this homemade balm. To make it, you only need 2 ingredients. It will be enough to apply it to sore joints every night before going to bed. You will feel relieved in the morning and you will be much better. This homemade balm can keep your joints in good condition. It also worked very well for varicose veins in the legs. Stay with us until the end of the video because this wonderful natural remedy is waiting for you there, for strong bones and strong joints. So let's go. Here are the ingredients needed for this recipe. We will need 1 head of garlic to start with, of medium size. We will measure it on the scales immediately. This one of ours weighs 50 grams, that's exactly what we need for today's recipe. Now we are dividing that head into chans. Nutrients from garlic cloves, such as vitamin B6, vitamin C, manganese and zinc, significantly improve the health of joints and bones. That is why it is more than useful to include garlic in your daily diet. Feel free to consume at least 1 chan a day and you will ensure good health for your bones and joints. Now we will clean each chan from the shell. First we cut the ends, and then we press the knife against the table. This will make the shells much easier to separate. We find a very powerful, active substance in garlic. It's allicin. It has anti-inflammatory and strong antibacterial action. It will protect you from all possible inflammations in the body and alleviate existing ailments. It will improve blood circulation in painful joints. It will restore better joint function. In doing so, it contributes to strengthening immunity. It will protect you from viruses, bacteria, and other microorganisms. Allicin activates the body's natural defenses and has been shown to boost immunity. It remains to pass the garlic through the press. This is the best way to get rid of your healing juice. If you don't have a hand press like this, you can chop the cans with a knife, but try to cut them into as small cubes as possible. This garlic oil is a real natural remedy for joints and bones. It successfully heals veins and capillaries. It will soothe the pain and discomfort in your legs, which you feel due to varicose veins. Here's how much we got from 1 whole head of garlic. The other ingredient in our recipe is olive oil. Always choose the highest quality unrefined, cold-pressed olive oil. Although you can also use sunflower oil. But you know, it's not the usual supermarket oil, but you also need cold-pressed sunflower oil. You can buy it in all the better-stocked health food stores. Now we weigh 1 deciliter of olive oil. So, in proportion to garlic, it should be 2 to 1 in favor of oil. Now we will transfer all the garlic that we previously mashed into a small glass jar. And after that, pour onion oil over the onion. When garlic and olive oil are mixed, their effect is doubled. They got a real natural remedy for sore joints. And they are especially effective for the natural treatment of arthritis, rheumatism, gout, osteoporosis, discopathy, and disc herniation. We will now close the jar with a lid. Don't forget to shake well. This natural preparation should stand for 14 days. Therefore, place the jar in a cool, dark place. It is very important that you shake it several times a day. After 2 weeks, you will notice that your homemade balm has changed color. It takes so long for garlic to drop all its medicinal ingredients into olive oil. We'll do that now. You can use gauze or a strainer. We used a thick metal strainer, so it was enough to strain only once. If you notice cloves of garlic, you can proceed once more. You will get this fantastic garlic oil, which is a real balm for bones and joints. We still have to cover the sore spot. It is best to work in the evening before going to bed. Thoroughly lubricate the affected joint. And then wrap it in foil, tighten well. And wrap a towel or cloth over the foil and spend the night like that. You can apply this balm to the knees, shoulders, lumbar spine, and even places where you have varicose veins. There are no side effects. In the morning, unwind the wrist and wash with soap and water. Garlic oil will not leave any unpleasant odor on your skin. Write us in the comments from which city and country you are following us. We wish you good health.